Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's Valentine's Day, not quite. We just got over Christmas, and I can't believe that stuff was already on the shelves for Valentine's Day. But anyway, I was in Walmart, and just looking over some of the leftover stuff from Christmas, and I saw the Valentine's Day stuff out, and I decided that I might try a Valentine's Day, I don't know, I don't think I'm going to call it a tablescape, but a Valentine's Day pastry station, maybe a Valentine's Day pastry station. Anyway, let me show you what I did. So with the magic of YouTube, I'm going to transform this. So if you want to see what I did, stick around. And through the magic of YouTube, this is my Valentine's Day dessert station or Valentine's Day pastry station. Still haven't decided what I'm going to call this. But when I put this together, I had in mind my little great niece, the one I told you guys about when I did the candy buffet. But she came over to the house on Thanksgiving and really tore into our brownies and grapes. So she's 5 years old. So I had her in mind when I put this together. All of the goods here are from, all the edibles are from Walmart. And I tried to use my cloches. I didn't realize how many cloches I had here, and as you can see, I try to use as many as I could. Some of them, once I laid out the cupcakes and cookies and stuff, would not fit. So, but I'm also trying to keep my son from eating these cookies too. So I have some red and white little mini cupcakes. These cookies, these little butter cookies, are so cute. Look at that. Crazy for me, crazy for you, kiss me, text me. Those are so cute. Also, I have some cupcakes, the red velvet cupcakes are there. And just some little sandwich cookies there, and some more cupcakes. I have some Russell Stouffer's chocolate hearts. They have caramel inside. And the bags, I just stuffed the bags with some tissue paper that I got from Dollar Tree, and some lollipops that I got from Walmart. And that just stays this on the table in the house. Threw some little hearts, paper hearts around the table. The ribbon that's on that vase is from Walmart. No, sorry, Dollar Tree. So let me step back a little bit. Oh yeah, I have candy hearts in the big tulip vase in the back. Some candy hearts. I will be eating those. They're like a cherry flavored candy hearts, jelly candy hearts. So, I hope you guys like this. I thought it was really cute. So there you have it. It's my Valentine's Day, my tribute to Valentine's Day. The Valentine's Day pastry station, dessert station. But anyway, it's my contribution to Valentine's Day. I can't believe stuff is already out there on the shelves. But I hope you enjoy this. And let me just pan through. Look at that little bear. He's on a stick. That's also from Walmart, but I saw it in Dollar Tree as well. Yet still, there's still just $1 from Walmart. Oh, the roses, the set of flowers are from Walmart. Those are $3 for a bunch. So I hope you like my Valentine's Day. Getting tongue-tied here. My Valentine's Day contribution. Get out there and get your Valentine's Day stuff, guys. I look at this table and I see nothing but sugar calories. Oh my God. OMG. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you all in my next production. Take care.